awake. For a second I thought you might be dead. Those sedatives must have done a number on you. You are one beat up motherfucker. You look like you've seen some shit. Well, half seen. Oh, don't worry about him. He's got his own shit to worry about. Ain't that right? Yeah, he knows what's good for him. Little shithead. Anywho, I don't know how long you're gonna be here until they decide what to do with you.
Coco Adoko?
Sorry, I don't speak Chinaman. We speak English here in the US of A.
Where am I?
Hey, shut the fuck up. I'm the one asking questions around here. You'll keep your mouth shut if you know what's good for you. You still got one good eye. Be a shame if something happened to it. Now we got 2 rules here. Rule number 1, no funny business. And that goes for the both of you. Only funny business that goes on here is when the boss man's around. Rule number 2, under no circumstances are either of you gonna escape. Not that either of you will be doing much of that anyway. You do as you're told, and we'll get along just fine. How's that sound? Peachy.
Hey. Hey. These things aren't breaking off. They're bolted to the ground. Trust me, I know. I'm Ben, by the way. What's your name? Do you speak English?
No much.
My name is Ben. Ben is me. You?
I am Zeiger.
It's an interesting name. German?
No.
Is that a first name or last name?
Yes.
Okay. How'd you get here?
Sagyo, work.
You work for these guys?
No. I work, hit head, go out, here I be.
Oh, okay. I was gonna say, you didn't look familiar. Unfortunately, I used to work for these guys. Don't worry, I was a subcontractor. My background is in biochemistry.
Kagaku sha? How do you say scientist?
Yeah, you could say that. I was second in command on a top secret government project a few years back. We thought we discovered the cure for cancer. Turns out we created monster fuel instead.
Monster?
My boss refused to wait for animal and clinical testing. Started injecting the serum into dead bodies. And then he moved on to living hosts. Ended up kidnapping the wrong woman, injected her, and all hell broke loose. Next thing you know, all these subjects are walking around causing chaos. I'm the only member of the team that survived. Don't worry, it was all cleaned up by some mercenaries. Well, maybe one mercenary. But this little mishap forced me to flee the country until I was picked up a few months back outside of Costa Rica. And now I'm here.
Your boss get you?
No, he was killed in the mayhem. But he had some high-level friends in the government. They tracked me down and locked me down here ever since.
What is that?
Just some of the gourmet cuisine being served down here. I've been eating this shit for months. I swear, as soon as I get out of here, I'm gonna find the biggest cheesesteak. Peppers, onions, whiz, everything.
We must escape.
I think it's a lost cause. These chains are too thick.
Norikoru yuitsu no shin no taki wa anata jishin desu.
What does that mean?
In English, it means believe in self.
I believe the American translation for that is man up, pussy.
Man up, pussy.
There you go, spoken like a true citizen.
I get out.
It's not that easy. Believe me, I tried many times. Broke my wrist trying to get out.
Should have tried thumb.
Don't mind Tim. He's been down here longer than I've been.
Is he alive?
To be honest, I'm not sure. I haven't seen him move in a long time.
What happened to him?
He was the boss man's favorite.
Favorite? What do you mean?
Trust me, you do not want to know.
They do that to you?
Fuck, it smells like shit in here. Did you make a mess again? Now you know what happens to bad dogs.
Stop!
Sticking up for your new friend, huh? That's cute. Looks like you're on deck, tough guy. Boss man's got a few words for you. You got two options. Easy way or the hard way. What's it gonna be? Motherfucker! Oh. All right, Mr. Vigilante. Sweet dreams. Rise and shine, fuckface. Boss man's got some questions for you.
You sure he's awake? He looks a little,
Hey, anyone home?
Do you know who I am? That's a no, right? I'm gonna take that as a no. You see, you and I, we've done business in the past, right? My name's Senator Dowling. We've conversed over the phone, I believe. He appears confused. You at least recognize the sound of my voice, right? What the fuck'd you do to this guy?
Nothing, boss.
Looks like he's high as a fucking kite.
I didn't give him nothing, I swear.
Do you know who I am? Alright, allow me to refresh your memory. I move your product, and we have an easy 70-30 deal. Now, I've been doing my part, but somehow I haven't been seeing my 70. Do you care to chime in on where my 70 is? This fucking heartburn's acting up again.
Son of a bitch.
Motherfucker!
Stay awake, big boy. Probably forced to staple your eyelids to your forehead.
Can I ask you one more time? Where is my money? Is this guy fucking mute or something?
No, boss, I swear he was talking earlier.
Don't tell me you cut out the tongue already. You know I prefer them with the tongue.
Well, I promise you, boss, I didn't touch them.
Well, I can't wait to be the first. You know, I'm getting kind of tired of messing with the one downstairs. He's starting to smell, and I can already feel the rigor mortis setting in.
Oh, we'll take care of that for you, boss.
Ugh. Everyone I've done business with knows the two things I don't play games with. Money and cock. You've already messed with my money, and well, pretty soon, you'll know the rest. Shit. Gonna be late for my dinner with Honey Bunny tonight. He asked me to pick up some toys on the way over.
Oh, didn't you get him one of those things? What was it called?
Ah, yeah, the Orgasmatron. Except the damn thing, the saddle already wore out. They accidentally sent it with a dongle.
Dongle. Don't you mean a dildo?
No, dongle.
The fuck is a dongle?
It's the same thing as a dildo, but you know, it's got balls on it.
They make those?
Orokana Kusogi.
I wasn't sure if you were gonna wake up. What'd they do to you up there? Did they?
No.
You're lucky then. Not everyone that goes up there makes it back.
Boss man.
Oh God, did you talk to him?
Nani?
This is bad. This is really bad. He's gonna go through you, and then he's gonna go through me. Not again. I can't. Not again.
Escape.
And how do you plan to do that? Last time I checked, I wasn't the only one chained down here. Do you even know how many guys are up there?
No.
There could be hundreds of guards up there that will shoot us on sight if we try to escape.
We die down here.
I don't know about you, but I'd rather not die.
Escape.
No. You don't have to do that.
Yes.
No, come on. That's not gonna help us. No, come on. Hey, no! Oh. Hey, he's dying over here! Come on, Joel, just stand there and help him out, he's dying! Oh my God, come on, get up! Do something, please! Oh God, no! You just stood there! And you let him die! Jesus. I thought you were dead.
Acting.
Shit. These keys aren't working on mine.
Stay.
Where are you going?
Don't worry. I come on back.
You what?
I be back.
What are you doing here, boy?
Holy crap!
God you're back. What the hell happened up there? Never mind that. Do you have the keys?
No keys.
What the hell is that?
How you say gift.
Look, man, how the hell is a bag of nuts gonna get me out of here? What is this? What the fuck do you want me to do with this?
Man up, pussy.
Hey, I need help getting out of here. Hey, don't leave me. Hey, come back. Come on, come back. Hey.